Portuguese arrived to India to carry out the trade. Especially the Portuguese sailor Vasco da Gama discovered a new sea route to India in 1498. Then after, they established their trade centers at Diu, Daman, Goa, Cochin and Malacca. They carried out the trade with India and became prosperous. So inspired by Portuguese traders, Dutch from Holland, Danish from Denmark, they arrived in India for trade. Later on, English traders established the East India Company to carry out the trade with India in 1600 AD. When Queen Elizabeth of England gave the permission to the East India Company to carry out the trade with eastern countries, the first ship under the leadership of Captain William Hawkins arrived in Surat. That is the point under whose leadership the first ship arrived in Surat. So, under the leadership of Captain William Hawkins, the first ship of British East India Company arrived in Surat. Before that, when did the East India Company establish? So, East India Company established in 1600 AD. And answer in one sentence, where did Portuguese trader establish their trade centers? They established their trade center at Diu, Daman, Goa, Cochin and Malacca. Now, next point of beta, here due to the dominance and opposition from the Portuguese, means the East India Company traders came to India, but when they arrived here, so there was a dominance of the Portuguese traders and they not allowed to establish their trade centers. So why the East India Company got the permission from the Mughal Emperor Jahangir in Surat. That is the point, beta. So in Diu, Daman and Goa, Britishers could not establish their trade center because of the dominance of the Portuguese people. But in Surat, that time the king of Surat, means Mughal Emperor Jahangir, he gave permission to the British East India Company to establish their trade center first time in 1613 AD. That is the point. So where was the first trade centers established by British East India Company and when? So with the permission of Mughal Emperor King Jahangir, British East India Company established its first trade center at Surat in 1613 AD. Initially, the company established its trade center in Surat, Bharuch and Ahmedabad. So, main three trade centers established by British East India Company at Surat, Bharuch and Ahmedabad. But due to the strong presence of the Marathas in this region, means again one obstacle for the company, Marathas were stronger in Maharashtra, Mumbai, Pune. Later on we will learn, but these Marathas dominated in North India, Gujarat, Maharashtra. So strong presence of the Marathas in this region, the company sensed danger to its existence Means these traders were not safe in Surat, Mumbai, Ahmedabad and Bharuch. Main trade centers, keep in mind beta, Surat, Bharuch, Ahmedabad and even Mumbai. There the Britishers were not safe because of the dominance of the Marathas. So they moved toward the southeast direction and they set up their trade centers in Machilipatnam in Andhra Pradesh, St. George means today's Chennai, and Fort William means today's Kolkata, and Mumbai became their headquarters in 1687. Means here in the map all these trade centers you can see beta. Okay, Fort William is mentioned here, Mumbai is mentioned here, Surat, Daman. Let us, my point beta here, which is the headquarter of the East India Company. So Mumbai was the headquarter of the East India Company, right? Here in Mumbai, our next point now beta, that is see 1600 AD East India Company established. In 1613 they got permission to establish the trade center in Surat, and after that in 1687 Mumbai became the headquarter of the East India Company. Clear? So these 3 years you need to understand: 1600 AD, 1613 AD and 1687 AD. Here now they became stronger traders, but later on here in 1668 AD French East India Company arrived in India for trade. Means after the Britishers, the French traders came to India to carry out trade in 1668 AD, and eventually, means one by one, they set up their trade center in Mahe, Karaikal, Pondicherry, Chandranagar, Machilipatnam. Okay, that is the point beta. Where did the French East India Company establish its trade center? So French East India Company established its trade center in Mahe, Karaikal, Pondicherry, Chandranagar and Machilipatnam. In the 18th century, the English and the French were constantly busy establishing their rule in the entire world. Means both were the rival, both were the competitor, and both were conquering more and more territories in the world. They both of they want to establish their rule. Okay, they both were busy to establish their rule in the entire world. Means they were in competition, they both were the rival. Our point, in 1746 and in 1763 there were 3 Mysore wars between the French East India Company and the British East India Company fought, in which the French East India Company lost the war, and so why it became easy for the Britishers to establish and to expand British East India Company's rule in India. Okay, so here is the point beta. Let us revise again. In 1600 AD British East India Company established. In 1613, British East India Company got permission to establish trade center at Surat. Clear? Then after, British East India Company established the trade center at Bharuch, Ahmedabad. Later on, they shifted from there to South India and established their trade center in Machilipatnam, means in Andhra Pradesh state, St. George, means Chennai, and Fort William, means Kolkata, and Mumbai became their headquarters in 1687. Parallelly, in 1668, French East India Company arrived in India to carry out trade. They established their trade center in Mahe, Karaikal, Pondicherry, and Chandranagar, and Machilipatnam. And in 18th century, this English East India Company and French East India Company both were busy establishing their rule in the entire world, and they were conquering more and more territories. Meanwhile, in 1746-1763, three Mysore wars fought in India between British East India Company and French East India Company. In all these three Mysore wars, as you learn in standard 8, French East India Company lost, means defeated. So why? It became easy for the British East India Company to expand its territory in India, and at the end of this battle for power, the Portuguese were left with Diu, Daman and Goa, means satisfied only with Diu, Daman and Goa. Portuguese traders, they could not compete the French East India Company and British East India Company. So French had their trade center at Chandranagar, Mahe, Karaikal, Pondicherry, and meanwhile the Dutch had to live forever. Means now Dutch people left India. French people established their trade center only at a limited center, while British East India Company expand all over the India. So this topic, rise of the British rule, and especially as we discuss this point, arrival of the British and establishment of trade centers, today we discuss. Now in previous session, means through the video recording, you will learn about Battle of Plassey, Battle of Buxar. I know it is a revision point, already you learn in standard 8. So you will listen the video recording which I will send you, okay, and 2 short note you will learn beta. Here it is, you can see Battle of Plassey, short note, and Battle of Buxar, short note on page number 5, okay, and you will listen the video recording and learn it by heart. Thank you. Jai Bharat.